did you hear about the pet adoption event that will be happening next week in Taytay?
Yes, actually, I want to discuss with you guys because I want us to volunteer in that event.
I love that too. I want to help in finding a loving home for animals because this kind of adoption has a positive impact on animals and adoptees.
Yes, I agree with you, Benson. Adopting pet really has a positive impact to animals as it helps save their lives. Adopting them is like giving them a second chance to live because they find a new home and someone who will give them a healthy life. What do you think, Guy?
Yeah, you're right, Michael. Pet adoption really saves the lives of homeless or abandoned animals. Also, it's better to adopt animals because it helps to reduce the overpopulation of stray animals and in those shelters. What about you, Ian? Do you have an opinion about this?
I literally agree with all your opinions. Mine is just a summary of your opinion. Because if you want a pet, adopting is the best financial decision because adopting is free. So instead of purchasing an animal from a store, it's better to adopt an animal. So you will also save animals' lives.
All of you guys were right. Like what I said earlier, this kind of adoption has a positive impact in animal and adopters. Because when you adopt a pet, it can help you to lessen your stress and sadness that you feel. And also, when you adopt pet, it can make you feel unconditional love and happiness. So guys, let's volunteer for the incoming pet adoption event. But from now on, we should go home now.
Yes, we should. Let's see each other in the next event.